Okay.
Yeah, chai.
So what is the first question? First question is the poem is a children's prayer to God to enable them to serve their country. Complete the table given below by filling in column A the virtues qualities that the children pray to God to bless them with, and in column B virtues qualities will help them in serving their nation. Clear? What is the question? First question, understanding the poem. So in column A, stanza 2. What is there in stanza 2? Help us whenever we need your help. What will be in column B? We may build a world free of all evils. Is it okay? Is there any problem? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है इस चैप्टर इस स्टांजा में? No, it is done because now stanza 3rd. Teach us to be focused, responsible, and form in youth. Teach us to be focused, responsible, and form in youth. What will
So
be?
that we can take over and progress the development of the nation.
Yes. What is the 4th stanza? Can anyone tell me? 4th stanza, teach us to rule ourselves always, controlled and cleanly night and day, that we may bring, if need arise, no member, worthless sacrifice. So, here, teach us to be focused, responsible, and firm in youth, so we can sacrifice ourselves if need arise. Okay? Should I switch over to the next question?
मैम ये स्टैंजा 4 वाला बताएं.
No, I taught you. Oh, sorry. Stanza 3 it was there, na? Wait. What is the stanza 3?
Yes,
Stanza
ma'am.
3 is to teach us to bear the yoke in youth with steadfastness and careful truth, that in our time thy grace may give the truth whereby the nations live. Earlier that I told it was of, okay, I am expressing once again. Teach us to be focused, responsible, and firm in youth. Why? What is there in 3rd stanza? So that they can.
So that we can take over the responsibility of development of nation.
Yes. So that we can be truthful and we can try to do good for the nation. We shall be firm, focused, and responsible so that we can serve our nation with truthfulness. We can be truthful for any problem, for any type of if any type of problem comes, we will face the problem truthfully. Is it okay? Stanza 3. Stanza 4. Stanza 4, you are supposed to write the qualities. Here, column B is written. We may make a useful sacrifice to bring freedom and dignity to the individual. So, what you are supposed to write in stanza 4? Stanza
Ma'am,
4,
teach us
teaches
to
to
rule
We should be
ourselves in the
self-control and
end.
Teach
proper
us to
maintenance
rule
of law and
ourselves
order.
always.
yeah, teachers
I'm teachers to
to
rule,
rule
teachers to
ourselves
rule ourselves if need arise.
so that we can have controlled and cleanly night and day. So here the main point is that teach us to rule ourselves always. Okay. Next stanza 5. Only you should be the judge of our actions. What is there in stanza 5? To teach us to look in all our ends on thee for judge, not our friends, that we thee may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. So why only you should be the judge of our action? So that they can walk uncowed. What is the meaning of uncowed? Meaning of uncowed is
Unafraid.
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 Yeah.
Unafraid.
So that they
we,
can walk
we may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. You can replace the word uncowed with unafraid. We can, so that we can walk unafraid by fear or favor of the crowd. Next is stanza 6. Here, column A is blank, column B is written. What is written in column B? We may not harm the weak or may provide solace to those in misery.
आप रेटिंग रूम चेक कर लीजिए.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. Here is teachers the strength that cannot see. Teaches strength that cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak. So here we will write that teaches strength to help the teaches strength to help the weak and needy person. Why do children want strength? क्या वो strength दूसरे पे दादागिरी दिखाने के लिए do they need to show
मैम
bosses?
कॉलम बी में तो लिखा ही हुआ है कि टू नॉट हार्म द वीक, तो मैम ये बाद में उसमें लिखना जरूरी है कि टू हेल्प द वीक. सीधा लिख नहीं सकते टीच अस दिस स्ट्रेंथ दैट कैन नॉट बी सॉट.
Yeah. Anyone, any doubt?
हम ये भी
मैम,
लिख
ये हो
सकते हैं ना,
सकता है
we
teachers
have
the strength
strength to
to
do our
comfort
deeds
man's
and our
distress.
thoughts.
Yeah, teaches strength that cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak. Means children want strength. Why they want strength? To help needy person, weak and
मैम, ये हो सकता है teachers the strength to comfort man's distress.
just let me check. Your voice is not clear. Okay. Now I have computer volume is 100%. Now your voice should be audible. Should I switch over to next stanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Stanza 7. Teach us to seek happiness in simplicity and nobility and to learn forgiveness. What is there in the last stanza, teachers delight in simple thing and mirth that has no bitter spring, forgiveness free of evil done, and love to all men beneath the sun. Means why children want
Ma'am,
happiness and simplicity and
to
nobility,
propagate forgiveness and happiness to all the men and beneath the
so
sun.
that they can love all human beings equally. What happens nowadays? We are divided. Uh, uh, we are divided continent wise. We are divided country wise. We are divided state wise. We are divided religion wise, area wise, caste wise. So many divisions are there, and we work according to that. But if we love each and every person, there will be no such type of problems. Why we are exhausting our resources for the protection of our boundaries, isn't it? Has God made boundaries? God ने boundaries बनाई है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Creator has
No,
not
ma'am.
made any boundary. ना क्रिएटर ने बाउंड्री बनाई है, ना कोई कास्ट सिस्टम बनाई है, ना कोई नो डिवीजन. अगर कोई कास्ट सिस्टम होता तो शायद वो ब्लड ग्रुप से रिलेट करता. अगर कोई रिलीजन होता तो कहीं ना कहीं वो, अगर वो गॉड क्रिएटर होता तो कहीं ना कहीं वो ब्लड ग्रुप को रिलेट करता. But it is not like that. These things we have made, and we are divided. What the poet wants that there should be no division like that. Everyone, the whole country is one, the whole world is one. So what will be the answer to the last question? That so that we can love everyone in the universe. This question is question number 1. Understanding the poem is okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I switch over to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know that Sunday will be test?
Yes, ma'am.
पता है ना? Sunday
Which
को
subject? Ma'am, which subject?
Ma'am, which subject, ma'am?
It will be second Sunday, na? So second Sunday
Yes, ma'am.
is science, SST and Sanskrit. First Sunday, Hindi, English and maths. Second Sunday is science, SST and Sanskrit. So coming Sunday will be second Sunday. So it will be portion. Your teacher. अभी का portion क्या होगा? What will be the portion? The teacher.
That we studied in this week.
Yeah. संडे को तो वही टेस्ट होगा ना जो कि टीचर ने अभी पढ़ाया है. अभी का तो कोई पोर्शन, देयर इज नो डाउट इन द पोर्शन. अगर टीचर ने एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ाया, दैट विल बी योर पोर्शन. Why should I mute everyone? Background noise is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
I am muting. I have allowed you people to unmute yourself. So next question. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Teach us to bear the yoke in youth with steadfastness and careful truth, that in our time thy grace may give the truth whereby the nations live. Question number 1. What yoke is the speaker referring to in the first line?
The yoke is referring to the responsibility to our nation, for our nation.
Responsibility.
is the
It is
responsibility for the
responsible,
development
being
of the nation.
responsible for and one. If you people are keeping your video on, you must be in school uniform.
Ma'am, first question answer.
What happened?
The speaker is wearing yoke as responsibility to build the nation by yoke.
Yeah. Yoke is the responsibility. The speaker is referring
Ma'am,
to
the
the
yoke referred by the speaker in the first line is the responsibility for the development of nation.
nation. Next question. What does the speaker mean by careful truth?
The speaker mean by careful truth that we should be careful when we follow the path of truth and labor hard to build good nation.
We should be truthful in uh, in our behavior, in helping when we help the country, when we are doing good for the country or anyone, we should be truthful. Truthfulness should be given proper importance. Next is what does the phrase, what does the phrase in our time in line 3 refer to?
The phrase in our time in line 3 refers to young age of the nation.
Our time means the time when the children will be grown up and they will be taking, they will become responsible citizen of the nation.
Ma'am, the phrase in our time refers to the period of time when the children became mature.
Yeah, when the children become mature, when the children become capable of holding responsibilities. Next question, explain the truth whereby the nations live.
We build the nation where there is no piece of corruption.
Yeah, if truthfulness is there, there will be
No
no
place for
corruption.
corruption.
There will
No
be
place
no,
of corruption.
yeah, there will be no problem also. Most of the problem in the world is because we are not truthful. If each and everyone follows the path of truthfulness, will there be any, will there will people face any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
If we know our limitations, if we work according to that limitation, there will be no problem. Understood? Should I switch over to the question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, question
Ma'am,
number 2.
Question number
1 का B.
1B.
1 का B.
What does the speaker mean by careful truth? Truth, careful truth meaning that we should be very careful while
Serving the
doing good for,
country.
while doing good for the nation.
ma'am, please repeat question. Last question.
Last question. The truth whereby the nation live. The truth means it is very important for any nation to become truthful. If the nation means truth is very important for the nation, survival of any nation. We supposed to be very we supposed to handle.
The Bluetooth device is ready.
What happened? have I explained the chapters carefully? Tell me. जब जिस समय chapters मैंने stanza wise explain किया था, तो उस समय तुम लोग ध्यान नहीं दिए थे? These questions we have already done. जब हम लोग questions, yes, sorry, when I was explaining the stanza, we have done revision of these questions. Okay, doesn't matter, leave it. So the truth whereby the nations live, for the survival of any nation, truthfulness is very important. If you look for, देखो ये question किस stanza का है? If you want to answer any question related to the particular stanza, you should refer to the question number 1. What is there in question number 1? Understanding the poem. Is it? What is there in question number 1, stanza number? ये कौन सा stanza है? Tell me. The truth whereby the nations live. It is stanza number 2.
Stanza 3.
हम
Yeah, it is
हम
stanza.
stanza number 3.
It is stanza 3.
Stanza 3.
So what is written in stanza 3? Teach us to be focused, responsible, and in youth. So that we can handle the situation truthfully. We should follow the path of truthfulness. What happened?
रानी कोई है.
I have muted everyone. If you want to unmute yourself, you can. Next. Should I switch over to the next stanza? Next question, question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Land of our birth, our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee, head, heart, and hand throughout the years to be. Land of our birth, our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee, head, heart, and hand through the years to be. Our question number 1 is, why does the speaker call their motherland land of faith, birth, and pride?
Mom, the speaker calls his motherland the land of faith, pride, because it comprises of the customs, beliefs, and traditions, which he believes in act, has given him his identity and recognition.
Good, very nice answer. So,
Ma'am, the speaker calls their motherland as the land of our birth, our faith, and our pride, because it is the land that that helps them their maturation and acts as an identification of their rich culture.
yes, we are.
The speaker calls it as their motherland because the citizens of the country are residing at their native place and they feel proud and faith for the heritage given by their forefather.
If what was the question? question was, why does the speaker call their motherland land of faith and pride? The speaker called the motherland the land of faith and pride because the speaker, the speakers, यहाँ पे देखो, their motherland है, तो यहाँ पे means we are not talking about one child, we are talking about children. So they feel pride because of our rich culture and heritage. They are proud to be the part of the country. They are proud to be citizen of the country. Is it okay? Question number 1 सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us switch over to question number 2. How does the speaker wish to serve their motherland?
Ma'am, the speaker wishes to serve their motherland by head, heart, and hand throughout the years.
Ma'am, the speaker wished to serve his motherland by being sincere, honest, and hardworking. He wished to do good deeds and contribute to the better of human race.
The speaker want to. One student is there, Aditya Raj. ये किसी भी section में होगा. Please tell him I am removing because proper identity is not there. So, what was the question? Wholeheartedly, the children want to, the speaker want the speakers. Who shouted? One student, Akash Kumar. Let me unmute. 1 minute. Akash, more. Remove. Yes. Akash also without proper identification removed. I don't know why.
Ma'am, Shalya Sakshi. मैम शैल्या साक्षी प्रॉपर आइडेंटिफिकेशन के साथ नहीं है.
मैम आदित्य राज.
आदित्य राज को तो मैंने एडिट किया ही नहीं.
मैम शैल्या साक्षी.
आदित्य कुमार इसमें 2 इससे होगा.
आदित्य राज एंड
अच्छा, आदित्य प्लस राज.
सूरज कुमार मैम.
1 मिनट रुको, पहले आदित्य राज को मुझे रिमूव. आदित्य राज रिमूव हो गया. सूरज
कुमार न्यू स्टूडेंट है, मैं नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, न्यू स्टूडेंट है.
यस मैम, हम नहीं है.
दूसरा मींस यू आर विद प्रॉपर आइडेंटिटी.
मैम एक और नेम से है मैम, सूरज कुमार मैम.
हाँ, तो सूरज कुमार को ही मैं रिमूव कर रही हूँ.
हो गया रिमूव वो.
हाँ, सूरज तो रिमूव है.
सूरज कुमार है.
मैं
आलोक सर क्लास चल रहा है, 10 मिनट बाद बात करें. ओके, लेट इट बी. चलो, अब जितने भी स्टूडेंट थे जो प्रॉपर आइडेंटिफिकेशन के आइडेंटिटी के साथ नहीं थे, वो लोग रिमूव्ड हो गए हैं. हाँ, नाउ we will switch over to the question number 2. How does the speaker wish to serve their motherland? The speaker wishes to serve their motherland wholeheartedly. Okay, आप मीन्स यहाँ पे है ना head, heart and hand.
Hand.
हाँ, so it is wholeheartedly. Head refers to your mental power. Heart refers to the emotional attachment, and hand physical strength. So if physics is there, emotion is there, mental if you are physically, mentally, emotionally attached to any nation, means you are attached wholeheartedly. Should I switch over to question number 3C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do the word head, heart, and hand in line 4 refer to?
Head refers to knowledge, heart refers to good feeling, and hand refers to hard labor in line 4.
Head, heart, and
Ma'am,
hand
the
in line
word
4
head,
refer to the mental power,
heart,
emotional
and
attachment, and physical strength. Refers to a faithfulness, and hand refers to physical strength.
Very good, very good.
the words head, hand, and heart in line 4 refers to the mental, spiritual, and physical devotion to the
Yeah,
motherland.
heart can be considered as spiritual as well. Next, question number D. What purpose is served by repetition of the word our in line 1? Can anyone answer me? Why the poet has repeated our every time? Our faith of our.
In
Ma'am,
line
Because
1,
the
the
poet
repetition of the word "our" creates a sense of belongingness to the motherland. It gives a feeling that all the countrymen are equal for the motherland.
Yes, one it is it shows belongingness, and other it gives rhythmic effect. एक तो अगर पोएट की बात करें, पोएटिक लैंग्वेज की बात करें, तो इट गिव्स रिदमिक इफेक्ट, एंड another is it shows belongingness.
The poet purpose is to.
Now, who was trying to answer? Should I switch over to the next question? Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, I would like to give you homework. Explain the following. You can take help from that question number 1, understanding the poem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Is there anyone, any doubt? Question number C is, explain the following. We pledge to thee our love and toil in the years to be. What does the line show?
Children, please
Ma'am,
put
they
love
Pledge to
Ma'am, the
serve
love
their
and toil
our
towards
motherland with
the
country
faith
motherland
and
and
do
will be
hard
devotion.
labor.
will be
They
converted.
want to do their best possible for their country and make necessary sacrifices.
Love and toil. Toil means hard work. So
Ma'am, the children pledge that their love and toil for the motherland will be get converted into the development of nation
the
when
children
they get
prays
matured.
to the
We
God.
should spread love for the citizen of our country and do hard labor.
When the children pledge to thee our love and toil in the years to be, so that they can make a incoming generation.
Very good. Next, that we may bring, if need arise, no man dot worthless sacrifice.
And the poet wants
It
to
may
And
make
wish
a
to grow
useless
as disciplined
sacrifice
the
to
and
bring
children
upright
want
human
to
being,
freedom
the
One
and
capital
student,
of
as a
faith.
righteousness
sacrifice.